देखा देखा हाँ बोला ना पापा आ गए
एक्साइटमेंट है ना।
नहीं चालू कर जल्दी से 2 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा शुरू हो जाएगा
सुयश होस्ट कर रहा है वो
Oh, Anju Jain.
Password the pose ETI all 1116 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And a meeting idea.
Suyash, are you with me?
Hi, Surekha is there with you.
Yeah. Hi, Surekha ji. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
No, I have not yet made myself available to you on video.
Yeah.
Okay, so I believe that you and me are both the host for this, right?
Yeah, but okay, but I'm not going to take any decision in between. You are
No,
the
no,
one
no.
who's going to take all the
No,
decision.
I'll take the decision. What I need you to do is please be the host.
I'll leave myself as the
No,
host.
no,
I'll
no,
do
no,
that.
no, 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 no.
Huh.
No, don't leave as host. In between, if you find that there are many people who are talking and they have unmuted themselves, your
Okay.
basic job will be to kindly mute them all whenever you feel so.
I'll do that, Rajat.
So that's the reason I need you to stay with me.
Theek hai,
Because
done,
my
done.
concentration will be on choosing people and asking questions. So
I'll do
disciplinary action, whenever you want, you can just mute them. And so
I'll
on.
do that. I'll do that, Rajat. Yeah.
Secondly,
हमको नहीं चाहिए बाबू को दो और बोलना मत कुछ.
Tell me.
Yeah. Secondly is just a second.
Alka ji's just come, Rajat. Alka. Hello.
Yes, Surekha ji.
हाँ,
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप वो कर दीजिएगा और दूसरा बात है मैं सबको यही बोलूंगा कि please keep yourselves on mute as and when I tell a particular name or I just by way of identification of a dress or something, that particular person unmutes, sings the song, and at that when a person starts singing a word or two, you can unmute them so that people can join together in that song.
ठीक है.
And we follow the same procedure. That is what I thought to be the best.
ठीक है, done.
Okay.
And Rajat, Alka ji is there, so if you could just acknowledge the foundation to her,
Yeah,
it would be
1
nice.
minute, please. Let me just.
She's there right now. I just saw her.
Okay. Wait, have I exited myself or what? You can hear me, right?
I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. Okay. Alka ji, namaskar. Can you hear me? Alka ji, namaskar. Can you hear me?
Alka ji, where are you? I don't know why I just saw her just now.
I think somebody else.
Anyway,
I think we have to wait for certain time, Surekha ji.
yeah,
Six o'clock.
we will start at 5 minutes past 6, Rajat,
Yeah,
I think.
yeah. Let's exchange pleasantries amongst ourselves and then we'll start.
Take it, take.
Hello, Rajat. Can you hear me?
Yes, is that Alka ji?
Yes, I
Naman-
warm welcome to you. I'm so happy to have you.
Thank you so much, Alka ji, and thanks to you for considering me for this very special session on music.
No, we are all excited and very happy to have you. Thank
Yes,
you
we are.
very
Thank
much.
you so much, Alka ji. Thank you.
Yes, look forward.
Thank you so much.
Rajat, you are there, right?
I am there very much. My video is still not on for
Yeah,
obvious reasons.
because we can't see you till now. Yeah.
Absolutely.
You need to keep the conversation on with all of us now.
Okay,
Yes.
so are they able to hear me?
Yeah, very clearly I'm able to hear you.
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, great. I'm just waiting for another 3 minutes and then possibly we'll start it officially. But namaskar, जो सुन पा रहे हैं उनको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार and thank you so much for joining in this wonderful Pantakshri. Okay, right, friends, this is Rajat. You can't see me yet, but can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. Few people have not yet, switched on their video. I can just see your names, but I can't see you. Just switch on. Start your video. Below. When you put the cursor below, you will be able to see. Start video. So just start your video. Kavita Jhunjhunwala ji, please start your video. Ritika ji, Manish Dhariwal. Yeah, Manish, yes. Manish is still not on video. Sudha ji Jhunjhunwala ji, please video start kariye.
Yes, I'm just doing it.
Yeah, okay. I am also very new to
Yeah,
this,
okay.
so please pardon me for any mistake that I commit in between.
Thank you so much for doing this for us, Rajat. It means a lot.
Thank you
I
so
don't
much.
know how to start.
It's okay. If you can identify yourself, I'll help you out. Whosoever just told the last sentence. No problem. Just speak to me, sir. I don't know to, but you can identify yourself and I can assist you, whatever I know of this.
Thank you.
Yeah, and just a small request. If the children of the house can be told to move out of the room where you are for a certain time. Just the participants stay in the room, or a particular person who can be just quietly listening to the music, not saying anything. And please switch off your television sets. Please mute your mobile phones for certain time.
Yes, I'm using mobile phone only for this week. Hello.
Yeah. We'll give you some time to settle down. Don't worry. It's a very casual session, so don't worry.
Ishita.
Hi, Anup. I can see you well protected. That's very nice. Who do I see? Hi, Prachi ji. How are you? Can you all hear me? Is what I.
Yes, we can hear you very clearly, Rajat.
Loud and clear.
We can't see you till now. We can hear you very clearly.
Okay.
यार जो खाना मैं तो ढंग का बनाने से तो उसका बनवाया.
Can you see me now?
I can't see.
Yes,
Yes,
Rajat, we
now
can see you.
yes.
Yeah.
we can
So I will-
I can see you.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, we can see.
I will just rename myself because it's Suyash who has instigated this meeting for us. So I'll just rename myself. I would still request if there are children in your room, can you kindly request them to leave the room for a certain time?
Yes, Tani.
And I can't. Many people have not switched on their video. If I can just name them, and they can. Manish Haripal. There is somebody called Aarti.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Manju Gupta has done now. Sulachana Chaube, please start your.
Yeah, my video is not on. I'm not switched on my video.
Yeah, do so. Don't worry. First and foremost, have patience. Don't worry. It is a very casual session, and we'll do it properly.
Oh, no, I can. I'm not.
Sorry.
Hey, everybody.
Hi.
Please switch on your video.
Sajja, thanks for connecting all of us.
Hi. Just ask everybody to switch the video.
Hi,
But if
Rajat.
you've got a record. Hi. How are you? Can you just identify yourself? I can see only about.
Manish.
Yeah. Hi, Manish. How are you? Can see a hand.
Hi Rajat, can you see me? It's Ricky.
So everybody can still hear some television or another music. Can you all switch off that, please? Hi, how are you?
Hi, Rajat.
Hi to everyone. I'm really sorry I face each one of you right now. I can see only at one time. I have to go to the next screen. Which I have gone now. Okay, lovely.
Is it advisable to use a laptop or iPad, or the phone will do?
Anything that, ma'am, you are comfortable with.
Okay, fine,
Just
thank you.
yourself from any other sound in the room. Television.
Yeah, there's no sound in the room.
Sushma Pajoria ji, I can see you. Namaskar. Shreya Mundra, I can't see you. Namaskar. Jayashree ji Mohta, I can't see you.
Hi, Rajat, you can see me.
What is your name, please?
Sangeeta Thakkar.
Sangeeta ji, namaskar. Multiple people coming. As soon as I locate you, I'll say hi to you. This is so exciting.
Hi, Rajat. This is Rajendra Nahata.
How are you, sir?
Good.
मेरे को भी नहीं चाहिए
See about 58 music enthusiasts together. Isn't that great? Okay, now I have another minute when I will have to start this session. Surekha ji, if you are with me, given certain guidelines already to the.
I'm there with you. I'm there with you.
Hey Rajat, this is Anuradha.
Anuradha ji, namaskar.
I cannot start my video.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. Anuradha ji, if you can hear me, on the screen below you have a video camera का photo और उसमें एक slash लगा हुआ है. There is a slash, red slash. You just have to unmute. You have to start that video. अभी आपका video start नहीं है. So if you can.
It's not starting.
It's not starting. आपके देखिए आप screen को. Are you using a laptop or are you using your mobile?
My mobile.
So mobile में एक बार click करिए या ऊपर नीचे कहीं करिए. You will have a panel नीचे.
ठीक, I'll try.
In that panel, left hand side, you have a start video option. Just do that.
Okay, I'll try.
और अनुराधा जी यदि नहीं भी कर पा रही हैं तो just listen to me and whenever you know an answer, just start singing with us. I think this is the best we can do at this time.
Perfect.
Hi
And
Rajat, this is
yeah.
Hi Rajat, this is Ricky here. Can you see me? Ricky.
Ricky.
R-I-K-K-I.
Okay. Yeah, I can see you, Ricky.
Okay, thank you so much. Just I wanted to confirm. Thank you.
There are still many people who are not on video, so I think we have to start now.
Rajat, just announce the rules once before we start and then just mute everybody and start.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
hi. I'm
Surekha
Meghna
ji.
here.
Yeah,
Rajat, and
Meghna
I
ji.
also I'm unable to get my video, so I think I'll play like that only when I know
No
the
problem.
answer.
No problem at all. No problem at all. As you all are aware, ये गाने का प्रोग्राम है. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी एक फैशन शो करेंगे. उसमें हम सबको देखना पड़ेगा. But अभी सुन भी लेंगे तो कोई बात नहीं. So I'm sure that is okay, fine with everyone. So we'll do that. I have wonderful, beautiful ladies in this group, and we'll very soon have a fashion show.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure all the ladies are dying to wear their beautiful attires for a long time. So let's have that option. Sangeeta ji, I can see you now. Sangeeta ji, आपने आज कोई face mask लगाया है क्या? You are looking prettier.
Rajat, can you hear me? This is Shelja.
Shelja, hi. I can hear you, and you're wearing a very nice blue suit or a t-shirt, whatever it is.
Hi, and I'm Babita here from Nainital right now.
Wow. So somebody from Nainital is
Hi,
also here.
Babita.
So
Hi,
it's fun. It's fun.
How are you? Nice to see you all.
Guys, we have 75 participants.
Oh my God! I'm here. I'm Sudha. Hi.
Hi, Sudha ji. How are you?
From Jaipur. Good, very good.
Ah, lovely. Jaipur. Jaipur, everybody please be safe in Jaipur. I have to be very, very
Yes,
safe.
Rajat, we are Shreya this side.
Shreya, hi. Hi, how are your kids?
They are fine, Bhaiya. How are you?
Great. Chalo. So, Surekha ji,
Hi,
can
Rajat,
we
bhaiya.
start now? Hi.
Yes,
hi,
please
Anurag.
start,
Hi,
Rajat.
hi,
Mute
hi.
everybody now.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Surekha ji, ये काम आपको करना पड़ेगा. So whenever I tell
अच्छा.
you to mute everyone,
हाँ.
mute everyone, and whenever I tell unmute everyone, you please unmute everyone.
Okay.
So at this moment, kindly, with the permission of all in this panel, I am muting all of you for certain time. Thank you. Yeah, can Surekha ji mute all?
Hi, Rajat. This is Renuka Shah here.
Renuka ji, welcome. Very soon you'll all be muted for certain time. So please have.
Yeah, certainly. I'm muting myself.
Thank you.
I'm muting myself.
If everybody
Rajat.
can do so, yeah.
Rajat, just before we start, I don't have the option to mute everyone. You'll only have to do it. Suyash says it's with you now. I can't do it.
My God. I hate to do this, but then I have to do this now. Okay.
Please do it. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you so much participants, and I'll be calling you by their name. मैं अंग्रेजी हिंदी दोनों में बात करूंगा. I think that is absolutely okay with all of you. ये जो आज का खेल है, इसे नाम दिया है फंताक्षरी का, और मैं अलका जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ. Has given me this opportunity to make right now 79 participants indulge in a musical session. मैंने आज की शाम का थीम दिया है लता डुएट्स, और लता के डुएट्स मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स के साथ भी हो सकते हैं और फीमेल्स के साथ भी हो सकते हैं. आज का ये फंताक्षरी बेसिकली वेरी कैजुअल अफेयर रखा है. हमने इसमें प्राइजेस भी नहीं रखा है. I have just wanted this session to know how well the Alka Jalan Foundation people know Lata and her songs, and I'm sure all of you will excel beyond my imagination.
79 participants
I think there are some people who have unmuted themselves, so let me again try. Mute all, and that is a yes. Okay. तो यदि आप अभी भी सुन रहे हैं तो बस आधे मिनट में शुरू करेंगे. There are just 3 rules to my game. पहला रूल ये है कि जब तक मेरा सवाल नहीं आए, आप में से कोई भी प्लीज आंसर मत करिए. दूसरा, जैसे ही मैं आप सबको अनम्यूट करूं, anybody can take the lead and we will all join together and sing that song. लय सुर ताल सबके अलग है जीवन में, please don't mind, हम सब मिलकर गाएंगे and we'll try to make it a fine symphony. We have some wonderful singers, let me tell you, and I can see most of them on my screen right now. And nobody is a leader today. I am in fact one of your participants. Just that I know the song list that will come one after the other. That is the only difference. I am there with you on the same platform. I have some better singers in front of me today. So let's hope this session is good. Once again, thanks to Surekha ji on behalf of the Alka Jalan Foundation to rope me in and to make me part of history. Thank you so much. मेरा पहला सवाल आ रहा है, then I'll unmute all of you. Don't worry. पहला सवाल. मैं कम से कम नहीं तो 25 से 30 गाने आज चुना हूँ, and I am going alphabetical on the movies that I have selected. तो मेरा पहला जो आज का सवाल है, that is based from the film आंधी, और आंधी के इस गीत में साथ दिया है लता का किशोर कुमार ने, और इन दोनों ने मिलके इस गाने को बखूबी गाया है, और इसमें ये बात चल रही है कि यदि जिंदगी एक दूसरे का साथ छोड़ दे तो वो जिंदगी कैसे
उससे नाराज तेरे बिना जिंदगी से तेरे बिना
Okay, I'm unmuting. Can we start with me? Can we start with me? Start with me. I'll take the lead. I'll take the lead, please. I'll take the lead, please. Thank you. I'll take the lead, please, and then you sing with me. Join me. Okay, okay.
और लोग दिखेंगे चिराग, बहुत सारे लोग हैं ना.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई बिना जिंदगी Fantastic. We had a wonderful start. Wonderful start.
Actually,
okay, now I will request something, because there are about 77 to 80 participants. I know you all know the songs. So जैसे ही मैं आप लोग को unmute करूँगा, let me start the song, and then all of you join me together. Is that okay with all of you? Just nod. Just do a nod. Yeah, I think most are agreeable. Most are agreeable. Thank you so much. So that's the better way to do it together. तो मेरा अगला सवाल है, फिल्म है आपकी कसम, और आपकी कसम में इस गीत को वापस किशोर कुमार ने साथ दिया है लता मंगेशकर का, और इसमें एक रोमांटिक गाने में हीरोइन कह रही है कि हम रात भर बदलते रहते हैं कुछ, वो क्या कुछ है वो आप समझाएं। Please start. Start Kishore Kumar. Lovely singers, I can hear them. Beautiful.
न करो दिन जुदाई के बहुत है कम.
Fantastic, continue. सुपर सुपर। और तो ऐसे ही रहते हैं, अनम्यूट नहीं करते हैं। जो है वो फिल्म अभिमान का है।
तो फिर आटा लेके जाना
इस गाने में मैं बताता हूँ, आप बताइए मेल सिंगर कौन था? Who was the male?
किशोर कुमार।
The next one मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
मोहम्मद रफी।
मैं जो अगला गीत बोल रहा हूँ या गा रहा हूँ, उसमें लता के साथ किसने साथ दिया है ये आपको बोलना है, एंड देन वील सिंग द सॉन्ग। गाना है फिल्म अभिमान का, और गाना है लुटे कोई मन का नगर बन के मेरा साथी।
मनहर उदास।
You are all great, मनहर उदास। Now please sing the song from.
तुमको खेलना है क्या? I'm not enjoying this.
नगर बन के मेरा साथी, कौन है वो अपनों में कभी होता है, देखो
ही बतिया
Okay, there is a very bad disturbance on one of the mobiles or something, so I'm sure that will be rectified very soon. अब मैं जो next पूछ रहा हूँ उसके पहले आपको एक trivia share करना चाहता हूँ. This particular song is from the film Albela. Please don't unmute yourself, people. Please don't unmute yourself. Thank you so much. Kindly don't unmute yourself till I do so. Thank you. Okay, let me share a small trivia with all of you. ये जो अगला गीत है ये फिल्म अलबेला का है, पुरानी पिक्चर है 1951 की अलबेला, और अलबेला पिक्चर जो है वो बाद में और 3 बार बनी, 21, 87 और 2001. So the same film name has been made 4 times. और इसका एक गाना है शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के. बहुत पेपी नंबर है, हम लोग सब गाएंगे मिलके, बट इसमें आपको बताना है कि अगेन लता का साथ किस मेल सिंगर ने दिया.
चितालकर
गूगल खोल के बैठिए.
Now tell me. There is a disturbance with somebody's phone. Tell me the name, please.
चितालकर
श्री रामचंद्र. और कोई गा सकता है? संगीता जी क्या आप गा सकती है शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के? जी प्लीज जॉइन हर. इशिता चक्रवर्ती प्लीज जॉइन हर.
I don't know this song.
Lovely. Manju ji, I can see you. Namaskar Manju ji. Please sing along. Sushil, I can see you. Sushil. Okay, next one. Okay, finally we have come down to 57 participants, and I'm sure अब जो इस गेम में इंटरेस्टेड है वो लोग ही हैं, बाकी लोग निकल गए हैं. I would be very satisfied.
Sorry to interrupt. Let one person only sing. When everybody is singing together, it's creating a lot of confusion, I think.
ठीक है. Initially I wanted to do so by everybody, and gradually I'll be making it a solo performance. So
yeah.
I think now I've already come to that. I had asked Sangeeta ji to do so, and I'll be asking individual performances. So I was waiting for some people to, really, maybe they were understanding कि इसमें कुछ और होगा, but anyway, it's clear. So now let me come to the next one. This is particular. मैं आपको अंग्रेजी में कहूँगा. Just try to translate this song and give me a nice Lata duet. I'm saying in English. Just hear me out and then translate, and I'll tell who to sing. I'll tell who to sing. English is: my heart was a blank paper. You wrote your name on it. Okay, can I please request? No, please don't sing. Please don't sing now. Please don't sing now.
कागज का ये तेरा
Okay, Sushil, I can't. There is a disturbing from somebody's mobile or which is letting us hear each other. So, Bajol, can you hear me? She can't hear me. Okay. Gupta, can you hear me?
या बट कोई अपने मोबाइल के माइक्रोफोन में बहुत जोर जोर सांस ले रहा है.
बहुत disturbance है. Too much of disturbance.
Please technical glitch. I think somebody is disturbing one.
कर रहा है.
I think
कर रहा है ऐसे.
Who's doing this?
Please stop
Don't
it.
do this. Creating a lot of disturbance on the phone. Too much.
think कोई अपना इवनिंग वॉक करते करते भी खेल रहा है, right?
वही लग रहा है.
He's doing their evening walk and also playing.
Yeah.
Hello, can we go for?
Someone is discussing how to make falafels. Pretty hungry here.
I know.
It's too much.
It's going to work up an appetite to eat. It's not the thing.
Be quite possible, but anyway, we are let's stay for some time. Stay for some time. The disturbance that I am
actually
hearing.
Lots of disturbance.
What is this disturbance? This tapping going on?
Yeah.
Somebody is jumping. What are you doing?
Yeah, okay. Can all of you mute yourself? Can all of you mute yourself? All of you, please. Please don't unmute yourself. Yeah, thank you. अभी भी कोई एक है जो अपने आप को unmute किया हुआ है. Let me find out. Okay, now, everybody is mute. I will listen to sing a song and I'm unmuting that person only. Do I have your approval on this? Okay. I will ask Chetna Jagnani. I will ask Chetna Jagnani only to sing this song. The song is Chup 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 खड़े हो जरूर कोई बात है पहली मुलाकात है जी पहली मुलाकात है. चेतना जी आप यदि मुझे सुन सकती हैं तो आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए और गाना गाइए.
I can hear you.
Okay, now everybody will hear you.
चुप चुप खड़े हो जरूर कोई बात है तड़ 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 चुप चुप खड़े हो जरूर कोई बात है पहली मुलाकात है जी पहली मुलाकात है जी पहली मुलाकात.
Fantastic. Now you can mute yourself, Chetna ji. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself, please. Mute yourself if you know how to do it. Lovely. Now we go to विनीता मोर. विनीता जी यदि आप मुझे सुन पा रही हैं तो आप सिर्फ अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए और बाकी सब आपको सुन रहे हैं अच्छे से. तो विनीता जी आपको ये गाना गाना है प्लीज. चोरी चोरी का गाना है मन्ना डे के साथ and I have selected 2 songs from चोरी चोरी. The first one is आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम. Can you please give us this song, Vinita Moore?
आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले. I know only this one.
No problem. अब मैं आपके साथ गाता हूँ. आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम मिले तो वीराने की आ जाएगी वहाँ झूमने
लगेगा आसमान झूमने लगेगा आसमान.
Fantastic. And I can see Sangeeta ji also singing. So good. आप सब गाइए, but आवाज एक की सुनाई देगी. I think that is better. My next selection would be Sushil Sethia, somebody who's would want to give a male voice to the thing. So Sushil Sethia, can you and Ricky both unmute yourself? Ricky and Sushil Sethia can unmute yourself and sing this duet for us, please.
Which one?
तू मेरे सामने मैं तेरे सामने तुझको देखूं क्या प्यार करूं. This is from the film Dar, and Udit Narayan and Lata are singing this originally.
तू मेरे सामने मैं तेरे सामने तुझे देखूं कि प्यार करूं.
आप दोनों आमने सामने है ही नहीं.
दिल मेरा खो गया ला 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 ला.
Ricky, I can't hear you. Now, Ricky, can you join in? Ricky, are you there with me?
She's on mute. She's on mute.
Ricky, I think you're on mute. Let me
Yes. I have unmuted myself now.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Can you sing the same song, Ricky, in your own voice
Yes,
now?
yes.
Sushil just sang.
So I'm singing the female part. It's
Yes, please.
टूट गई टूट के मैं चूर हो गई, तेरी जिद से मजबूर हो गई, तेरा जादू चल गया ओ जादूगर, टूट गई टूट के मैं चूर हो गई, तेरी जिद से मजबूर हो गई.
Fantastic. Ricky, मेल पार्ट उसने गा दिया था. और अब ये गाना कुछ ऐसा ही है, मिलता जुलता सिचुएशन है कि हम बस एक दूसरे के सामने हैं बट फिजिकली नहीं. तो चलो कुछ दिन ऐसे ही बिताते हैं. लेट्स सिंग नाउ. नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट विल बी इंदु गांधी. इंदु गांधी, all of you mute yourself. Only Indu Gandhi ji, you can unmute yourself if you know how to do it, please. Yeah, Indu ji, namaskar. And I have a fantastic song for you. ये गाना है फिल्म क्रांति का, और लता जी के साथ क्रांति में उनका साथ दिया है मुकेश जी के लड़के नितिन मुकेश ने. और ये गाना सबको आता है, तो प्लीज आप अनम्यूट मत करिए, बिना म्यूट में ही आप अपने अपने घर में गाइए. बट इंदु जी, प्लीज गिव वॉइस टू दिस सॉन्ग. जिंदगी की ना टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी.
जिंदगी की ना टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले हो प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. आओ जिंदगी की ना टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी.
ओ लंबी लंबी उमरी ओ लंबी
लंबी लंबी उंगलियां को छोड़,
प्यार की एक
घड़ी है घड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. ओ जिंदगी की ना टूटे लड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी.
चलिए घड़ी दो घड़ी हमारे साथ रहिए.
I have taken the opportunity to unmute myself.
Please,
it's a beautiful song that you have reminded us after a long time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is a wonderful singer himself, and very soon you'll be able to hear him. हम उसको एक ऐसा गाना देंगे जो वो गा सकता है. ये सब आसान गाने हैं, उसको हम नहीं दे सकते. Prachi, I can see you. And you are looking so beautiful in this pink attire. So can you sing this song for us? It's from the film Mohabbatein. I love this song again. उदित नारायण जी के साथ लता ने गाया है. हमको हमी से चुरा लो, दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो, हम अकेले हो ना जाए, दूर तुमसे हो ना जाए, पास आओ गले से लगा लो. So it's a lovely song. If you know this song, please sing it for us.
हमको हमी से चुरा लो, में कहीं तुम छुपा लो, हम अकेले हो न जाए, दूर तुमसे हो न जाए, पास आओ गले से लगा लो.
आप लोग सब इतने अच्छे सिंगर्स हैं, मुझे ईर्ष्या हो रही है, बहुत ईर्ष्या हो रही है कि आप मेरे सामने नहीं हैं physically. Otherwise, we could have had a lot of fun with musicians and everybody. But I'm sure the foundation will, in the very first option, do this program and never be out. Okay, now we have somebody who is there and whom I love dearly, Ishita Chakrabarti. Ishita ji, abhi ye bataiye aap hai kahan pe? Unmute yourself only. Rest please listen. Ishita ji, where are you now? In Calcutta or somewhere else? I'll unmute you, Ishita ji. Just a minute. Yeah, now we can all hear you. Boliye.
Yes, I'm in Calcutta, Rajat. I'm at home.
Wonderful, and I love the way you appreciated your somebody who's like family to you and who's been helping you out for the last 45 years. And we saw some lovely dishes on the table. So give us a lovely song, Ishita ji, and I've selected something for you. And this is from the film Patita. It's a very old song. Manna Day ji ke saath gaya Lata ne. And the song is याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बाहर है कहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ. I think everybody knows
maybe
this song.
I know just one line, maybe I don't know the song much.
आप गाइए, मैं एक दो जन को और अनम्यूट कर दूंगा जो आपके साथ गाएंगे. Jayashree Saraf, I'm unmuting you. I'm unmuting you for this song with Ishita.
Give me another song. I do.
Okay, ठीक है. जयश्री जी आप गाइए. Ishita ji, you wait for your turn.
Yeah.
जयश्री जी गाइए.
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बहार है जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम.
Lovely. Jayashree ji, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
nice.
Thank you.
And please everybody forgive us for this technical glitches. We are all new to this medium. बहुत जल्दी हम इसे भी अपना लेंगे. So don't worry. My next contender or participant is somebody again whom I know dearly. We all can't see her. Anuradha ji Halwasia unka naam hai, and we will hear her lovely voice. Generally she restrains from singing, but today I'll request her to sing. Anuradha bhabhi, if you can hear me, I'm going to unmute you, and you are going to give us this song, which I have selected for you. Wait, where was it? Okay. Let me unmute you first. Oh, she's unmuted herself. Great. Anuradha bhabhi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Anuradha bhabhi, I have selected this song for you. Please sing it for us, please. Manna Day is the co-singer with Lata, और इसमें puppet के माध्यम से ये गाना हमें दिखाया जा रहा है. Anuradha ji, just solve this mystery and give us the song. चोरी चोरी फिल्म का गाना.
मनभावन के संग जाए गोरी.
नहीं, इसमें puppet show वो लोग दिखा रहे हैं. They are showing us a puppet show. Raj Kapoor and Nargis.
Can I try it?
एक मिनट रुक जा यार, तू तो सब जानता है.
नहीं, चोरी चोरी का मनभावन के संग.
जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वहीं चले आते. Please sing it for us. Everybody is hearing you.
जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वहीं चले आते हो, चोरी चोरी मेरे दिल को चुराते हो, ये तो बताओ कि तुम मेरे कौन हो. बस.
Lovely. I love you, Anuradha ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So friends, now we are all in for a treat because I'm going to unmute Anurag. And Anurag, I give you the leverage of skipping away from the theme and giving us any song which you like, which you want everybody to hear. And I give you the leverage to sing one paragraph also. So if all of us agree, let us all now hear to Anurag Poddar and his beautiful voice. Anurag, you are on.
So which song? I mean, any song?
Any song that you can think of. Any song.
चेहरा है जैसे झील में हंसता हुआ बल, या जिंदगी के साजों पे छेड़ी हुई गजल, ने बहार तुम किसी शायर का ख्वाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो. ये गाना अलका आंटी के लिए था.
Lovely. Thank you, Anurag. Thank you so much for this. Thanks a lot. I'm moving now to Kavita ji Jhunjhunwala. Kavita ji, मैं आपको unmute कर रहा हूँ. कविता जी आपको मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ एंड नाउ यू आर विद मी।
हाँ जी।
कविता जी
क्या
लता के गाने आप सुनती हैं रेगुलरली?
हाँ सुनती तो हूँ।
Okay, so I'll give you the option to sing any solo song of Lata of your choice. बीच में please pardon me, but ये कर रहा हूँ, but just for interest sake. Can you sing any nice solo song of Lata?
Yeah, वो सजना चलेगा?
Ah, lovely. I am crazy about this song. Please give us a song.
सजना सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई ओ सजना।
Wow, इसका पैराग्राफ भी बहुत अच्छा है. Would somebody like to try? Would somebody
I can
like to
go
try?
ahead.
Yeah, please do so, please.
तुमको पुकारे मेरे मन का पपीहरा, तुमको पुकारे मेरे मन का पपीहरा, मीठी मीठी अग्नि में जले मोरा जियरा।
क्या बात है, तबले का थाप आ जाता है ना, क्या बात।
सजना। Thank
Lovely,
you.
Kavita ji, I think everybody is applauding. You are not able to hear them, but I'm sure उनके यदि आप हाव भाव देख रही हैं, so everybody has a smile on their face.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy that this foundation has brought a smile on everybody's face.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you,
so much.
Sureka ji.
Kavita ji, मुझे आपको mute करना पड़ेगा. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm proceeding to Anupama Prakash. I can't see you, Anupama ji, because आपका video on नहीं है. Can you hear me? I have now unmuted you.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Wonderful. So Anupama ji, मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Can you just tell me? It's a sin कि किसी से पूछा जाए लेडी से कि वो कितनी उम्र की हैं. But क्योंकि मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए पूछना अनिवार्य है.
Yeah, I'm the same age as Kavita.
देखा, यहाँ भी लोग बोलेंगे नहीं अपने मुंह से कि कितने साल के. बस इतना बोल दिया. I love you.
Actually, there's some problem in my phone. That's why you cannot see me.
नहीं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ. आपको प्लीज खुलासा नहीं करना है. And I love you for this.
No. Everyone
मुझे अभी
knows
तक
me.
नहीं मालूम कि मैं अपनी बीवी का लास्ट बर्थडे कौन सा वाला सेलिब्रेट किया था, वो बताती नहीं. तो चलिए मैं आपको एक अच्छा गाना देता हूँ. Please sing it for us.
My voice is not too good.
Don't worry, हम में से किसी की आवाज अच्छी नहीं है, बिकॉज हमने अपनी आवाज दुनिया को सुनाई नहीं है. तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, सुनाइए सबको. तो आप प्लीज ये गाना गाइए हमारे लिए. दिल की गिरह खोल दो, चुप ना बैठो, कोई गीत गाओ.
No, I don't know this song.
No problem, we'll keep it for somebody else. Can you sing ये कहाँ आ गए हम यूं ही साथ चलते चलते from the film सिलसिला?
Yes. ये कहाँ आ गए हम यूं ही साथ चलते चलते. Rest please. You can sing, so I can sing it.
So no problem. अनुपमा जी आप भी रहेंगी और मैं एक और जन को साथ में लेना चाहता हूँ. Very soon. I am unmuting Jyoti Mundra. Jyoti, you are with me now. So Jyoti, can you please assist and join her? I am unmuting, but I'm not able to do so. Have you?
Yeah.
Jyoti, can you unmute yourself, please? Jyoti Mundra.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you. Jyoti. Can you please start this song, please?
Okay.
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट के आ रही है ज्योति जी. Can you please just? No, Jyoti ji, I think we'll have to. आपने अपने आप को म्यूट कर दिया वापस ज्योति जी. Please unmute yourself. अच्छा, okay. Can we take somebody else? Wait, let me take somebody else. Wait. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Who's this?
Rajat, I am Anita Agrawal.
अनीता जी, ये गाना आपको आता है?
कौन सा?
ये कहाँ आ गए हम?
नहीं, कुछ और दे दो प्लीज.
ये तो ऐसा बात हो गई कि रेस्टोरेंट में गए हैं और हमें ये नहीं पसंद, आप कुछ और दे दो भाई साहब. अच्छा, एक बार आपको म्यूट करता हूँ.
Can you hear me, Rajat?
Who's this now?
Do you hear me?
Can you just give me your name?
Jyoti Mundra.
Yeah, I can hear you, Jyoti ji.
We can hear.
Okay. I can sing this along with the person you have.
Yes, you are singing this with Anupama Ji Prakash. Please sing with her.
Okay. Yeah.
ये कहाँ हुई साथ चलते बाहों में
जानम
I think Jyoti ji का थोड़ा लिंक खराब है. No problem at all. But you sing, Jyoti ji, आप अपने घर में गाइए, उसे complete करिए पूरा. We should not leave anything incomplete. Okay, Sangeeta ji wants to say something. Let me see what Sangeeta Thakkar wants to say.
ये कहाँ Not audible?
No.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Who's this? Sangeeta ji, are you with me?
Yes, I'm here.
And who's this? Ricky. Okay, Ricky, continue. Ricky, continue.
Sorry.
Ricky, continue.
ये कहाँ गए हम यूं ही साथ चलते तेरी बाहों में है जानम तेरी बाहों में है जानम मेरे जिस्मो जां पिघलते तेरी बाहों में है जानम मेरे जिस्मो जां पिघलते.
Ricky, you have a fantastic voice.
हम यूं ही साथ चलते. Actually, I'm learning ghazals. So
you have a fantastic voice, Ricky, and I'm sure everybody, जैसे मैंने कहा, सब appreciate कर रहे हैं. But the moment I open it all,
Thank you.
सब appreciation भी नहीं सुन पाएंगे. So I'm sure people, if they are here in this forum still, they are all appreciating your voice. Now हम ये आ गए हैं 6:40 तक. हमने ये uninterrupted लिया हुआ है from the foundation, but I think I'll continue for another 10 minutes more, and then we leave it here today. And if the foundation wants, then maybe some other day we'll again all of us join together. Just 10 minutes, be here, and then we'll all leave together. So I have a new participant, and that is Ritika. Ritika, I'm unmuting you, please, and I need you to sing this song for me. Wait, it's just taking a second or two to unmute you. Wait, I think 1 sec. Ritika, are you with me? Ritika, can you hear me? Ritika, you're on your iPhone. Can you hear me? Ritika? No, I don't think so. She can hear me or I can hear her. Let me select somebody else. Rajendra ji, are you with us? Let me unmute him.
Yes, I am with you.
Rajendra ji, namaskar. And since we can't see you,
I'm also Rajendra.
अच्छा, दो राजेंद्र आ गए, कोई बात नहीं, दोनों गाएंगे. पहले बताइए राजेंद्र सिंह कौन है? राजेंद्र सिंह अभी बोलिए. अच्छा, राजेंद्र सिंह, how old are you? I can see you, Rajendra. I can see you, Rajendra ji. I know you very well. Okay, Rajendra Kumar Nahata ji. How old are you, Nahata ji?
I am 59.
Very good. So, Rajendra Singh, if you don't mind, I will first give the option to Rajendra ji Nahata.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah, he's my brother. Give him first.
My God. एक ही नाम कैसे रखते हैं आप लोग एक परिवार में? Isn't that confusing? चलिए, okay. Rajendra ji Nahata, you are going to sing this song for us. रमैया वस्तावैया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया.
Sorry, I don't know this song. You can ask someone.
Can you sing any song which is your favorite?
Yeah. ये शाम मस्तानी will do.
Please do so.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा.
चलिए हम उनके पास चलते हैं राजेंद्र जी, जो आपके ब्रदर ही हैं या रिलेशन में हैं, तो हम आपको म्यूट करते हैं और राजेंद्र सिंह आपको हम अनम्यूट करते हैं. So Rajendra, it is now your turn. And being the younger of two, I just thought it appropriate कि पहले उनको मौका मिलना चाहिए. Rajendra, do you know this song which I have selected for you? Otherwise you can sing your own song. दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन.
I know it, but if you give me a chance to sing another song, it will be better.
राजेंद्र जी, क्या आप अपनी इवनिंग वॉक पे निकले घर पे?
हाँ, घर पे हैं.
नहीं तो घर पे एक जगह बैठ जाइए. आप स्टैटिक बैठिए पहले, फिर हम आपका गाना शुरू करेंगे.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, settle down and then we listen to it. चलिए, so you can sing any song.
Okay.
Don't worry.
दूर रह कर न करो बात, करीब आ जाओ. दूर रह कर न करो बात, करीब आ जाओ. याद रह जाएगी ये रात, करीब आ जाओ. दूर रह कर न करो बात, करीब आ जाओ.
राजेंद्र जी, आपने गाना बहुत प्यारा गाया है. और ये देखिए, ये पूरा गाना मुझे सुनाएंगे तो मैं आपके साथ 1-to-1 जुड़ूंगा इस सेशन के बाद. अपने दोनों एक दूसरे को सुनाएंगे. बट अभी आपने जो ये गाना गाया है ना, ये वेरी अनलाइक कोरोना सिचुएशन है. तो या रादर आई वुड से कि लाइक कोरोना सिचुएशन है कि बस दूर रह के ही बात करो, किसी के करीब मत. तो वही हम लोग कर रहे हैं. हम लोग करीब हैं मगर करीब नहीं.
I was not aware.
अरे सर, मजाक की बात है. Thank you so much for joining and please be here for next 5 minutes or so. Because I'm very quickly.
Can't hear you anymore.
You can't hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Okay. I am going now.
Still can't hear you. Your voice has become very feeble.
We can hear you, Rajat. We can hear you.
Is it? Okay. So I am going now to Simmi Gupta. Simmi ji Gupta, I am now unmuting you.
Okay.
And if you can hear me, Simmi ji,
yes,
namaskar.
I can hear you. Namaskar.
Sorry to keep you waiting for such a long time, but
not at all.
सभी को देना है मेरे हिसाब से, तो सबका समय लगेगा. सिमी जी, ये गाना जो मैं सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ गाइए, नहीं तो अपने मन पसंद का गाइए. गोरे गोरे ओ बाके छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो.
नहीं, I wouldn't know this song. Sorry.
Can you give us any other Lata number if you can, please?
I can try Dil Ki Gira if you want.
Wow, अच्छा हाँ, उस समय उन्होंने नहीं गाया था. Please do so for us. Please, thank you.
दिल की गिरा खोल दो, कुछ ना कह दो, कोई बात गाओ. मैं दिल में अब कौन है अजनबी, तुम मेरे पास आओ. दिल की गिरा खोल दो, कुछ ना कहो, कोई गीत गाओ.
Thank you so much for attempting this song. ये गाना बहुत मुश्किल है, लगता बहुत आसान है पर ये मुश्किल गाना है. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ambika Kanoi, I can't see you, but I'm unmuting you. If you're still with us, can you say hi? Ambika Kanoi.
हाँ जी, लेकिन मैंने अपना नाम तो नहीं दिया. हाँ, बताइए.
नमस्कार, आप हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगी?
गाना मुझे सारे आते नहीं है. कौन सा गाना देंगे?
आप वही गाना गाइए जो सबसे पहले आपने अपने शौहर को सुनाया था. If that's not very personal.
नहीं, शौहर को तो आप बताइए कौन सा.
मैं अंबिका जी आपको देख पा रहा हूँ.
देख पा रहे हैं?
हाँ, चली गई. देख पा रहा हूँ. आपकी अलमारी खुली भी है, बंद करिए उसे.
नहीं जी, अलमारी बंद है, कोई खुली भी नहीं है.
मम्मी just sing, mom just sing.
नहीं, ठीक है. देखिए, ये आप लोग अपने अपने में बात कर रहे हैं. आज हम लोगों को 36 नए लोग मिले बात करने के लिए. So that's very nice. अंबिका जी, आप कोई भी गाना गाइए जो आपको पसंद है. Whatever that you want to say.
कविता, तू बता कौन सा गाऊं?
कोई आपने
अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर.
बिना पूछे ये बताइए.
नहीं.
अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर गा दो, या इना मीना डी का गा दो.
एक लाइन गाइए, अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर. बिकॉज़ अभी हम लोग छोड़ने का समय हो रहा है. So we are requesting everybody कि 10 मिनट और मत जाओ.
राम चाहे राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। इनका तो पंगा है सिंपल सा यार, गोली मारो तो पंगा, कमारो तो यार। राम
क्या बात
चाहे
है।
लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में
झकास।
दुनिया का क्या काम।
मैं सोच रहा था ये कोई दुख भरा गीत गाएंगी और इन्होंने ऐसा गीत गाया जो हम सबको अचंभित कर दिया है। आई लव यू अंबिका जी। और हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि रजत चाहे अंबिका, अंबिका
Rajat,
चाहे रजत, इन सब में ये 36 का क्या
Rajat,
था?
we will end with Alka Ji. We will
Yeah,
end
we
with
will end.
Alka
We
Ji.
will. So Rekha ji, can I take just 5 minutes more? 5 minutes more, please. Rekha ji, are you with me?
Rajat, we will end with Alka Ji.
Yeah, but can I take 5 minutes more with the group?
Yeah, please take all the time
Okay,
that you
okay.
want.
We'll end with her. वो तो मेरा सोचा हुआ ही था. But I thought you want me to end now, इसलिए पूछा ये. Okay. Few more have not yet participated. Ambika ji, thank you. I am unmuting Manjari Damani.
Thank you.
Yes.
Manjari, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Rajat.
So, hi Manjari, you have a fantastic voice, I know. So can we all hear that? Let me first see if you can sing my choice, otherwise your choice. Okay?
Yes, Rajat bhaiya.
Can you sing this song, Manjari? न जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया, अभी तो यहीं था अभी खो गया है तुझको तो प्यार से, and so on.
न जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया, अभी तो यही था अभी खो गया, हो गया है तुझको तो प्यार सजना, लाख कर ले तू इनकार, सजना है ये प्यार सजना.
Lovely, lovely. Manjari, you still have that fantastic voice, though we've not met for a long time. Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
We have another good singer amongst us, Raghu ji Mohta. Raghu, where are you? Let me first locate you. Wait, Raghu, can you say something? Wait, I just had you. Where are you? Raghu, can you unmute yourself, please? Raghu Mohta.
He just left the meeting.
This is called timing, and I love this timing. Can I have Poonam ji Jaju with me? I am unmuting Poonam Jaju. Poonam ji, I can't see you, but can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, now I can hear you, Poonam Jaju ji. एक बार एक sentence और बोलिए. I think आपका connection थोड़ा weak है. We'll test that. Can you say something else? No, I think her connection is a little weak. We'll not waste time. Very quickly, going to Rashmi Jhunjhunwala. Rashmi Jhunjhunwala, I just can see a very nice photograph of yours. You were somewhere partying or you were holidaying somewhere. But can you hear me? Wait, let me unmute you.
Hello.
Wait, who's this?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this, please?
The connection is gone off.
Yeah, आपका connection थोड़ा weak है. इसीलिए एक बार आपको हमने नहीं लिया अभी, पर आप नाम बताइए प्लीज. या नाम बताइए. Can you please tell us your name? Poonam ji, if I can know, I think आपका weak connection है, मैंने आपको फिर mute कर दिया है, and I'm going very quickly to Rashmi Jhunjhunwala. रश्मि जी, हम आपको अब unmute कर रहे हैं. Wait a second. This takes a little time to unmute. Rashmi ji, if you can hear me, can you unmute yourself, please? No, I don't think
Hello, Rajat ji, I'm back again. I don't know, I lost the connection earlier.
Yeah. You are you Poonam ji?
I'm Poonam Jaju.
Wonderful. We can all hear you very loud and clear, Poonam ji. मेरे पास एक गाना है, क्या आपको गाएंगी, please?
Just let me know what is the song.
Okay.
I'll just try.
Okay. मन क्यों बहका री बहका आधी रात को, बेला महका री महका आधी रात को. This is a duet with Asha Bhosle of Lata Mangeshkar from the film Utsav.
I'll know one line only, Rajat. I'll sing.
उतना ही you are lucky. उतना ही समय हमारे पास आज. You are very lucky.
हाँ. मन क्यों बहका रे बहका आधी रात को, बेला महका रे महका आधी रात को, मन क्यों बहका रे बहका आधी रात को, बेला महका रे महका आधी रात को। थैंक यू।
Lovely. Suksham ji, Suksham, thank you. Okay. Suksham ji, आप मेरे साथ हैं? Suksham ji, are you with me? Suksham ji, are you with me? Yeah.
Hi, Aruna. Can Aruna and I sing together?
Who? You and Aruna ji?
Aruna,
Yes,
Alka, and my.
Yes.
Can we sing together?
Okay. 3 of us.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I love this trio. We are all ears to you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes, Suksham. Hi, Alka.
Hi.
Come on. Suksham, which one?
Jadoo and
जादू नशा
तुझको भुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ, तुझको भुला के अब
तरह से तेरी नजरें मैं खुद
जादू है नशा
है मदहोशियाँ तुझको भुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ।
क्या बात है। सुक्षम जी आप प्लीज आज मेरी नजरों से अपने आप को बचाइएगा। घर में किसी को कहिएगा आपका नजर या आपकी नजर उतारे। मेरी नजर है आप पे।
आपकी नजर हो तो
Thank you Suksham for giving me a chance. Whatever.
Okay, so what I have done now is I have muted everybody and I will now request Surekha ji to kindly request for the last song from Alka ji. जिनको आज मौका नहीं मिला है उन सबसे मैं बहुत माफी चाहता हूँ because this medium is very new to me and believe me this is the first session I'm doing with like so many people. So please forgive me for everything which went wrong and मैं सुरेखा जी को अब निवेदन करूंगा कि please request करें अलका जी से. She will sing a solo for all of us. We will close the session today at this point. And whenever next opportunity the foundation gives me, I am always ready to come and entertain all of you. Thank you so much. You've all been great today. Must just be here for next 5 minutes and hear Alka ji, and then we will all leave the meeting. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. God bless all of you.
Rajat, firstly, thank you so much. I mean, the number of smiles everybody had on their faces in such tough times, I think that's the best thing that you could do for us.
Yes.
Thank you.
And Surekha ji, I think ये जितने लोग अभी यहाँ हैं, 34 or 35 of them, I think
Yes.
a big thanks to them for
A big thank you for all of them for staying because everything takes time in the beginning. I think
it does.
Yeah, so it's it did take time for us to settle down in the session, but
Yeah, a few
ultimately
people.
I think we've
Surekha
had a
ji,
beautiful session.
just allow me 1 or 2 minutes. Raj ji Harlalka, thank you so much for being here. Next session आप वापस जरूर आइएगा. Sorry आज नहीं दे पाए. Few people जिनको देख रहा हूँ, कुसुम जी अग्रवाल, next time for sure. मंजुला जी और भी सुनेंगे आपके साथ. सुशील, you were initially there. Sorry for not giving you a chance again. Renuka Shah ji, not giving you a chance today. Vinita Moore, you were there with me for the Tambola, but not here. Sorry. Alka ji को request करिए please, Surekha ji. Thank you.
Alka ji, gore gore o baake chore. You have to sing.
Rehan is singing one song.
Okay, let Rehan sing. Okay, perfect.
Please.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, तुझ नाम सुफलाम, मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम, वंदे मातरम, शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, फुल्ल कुसुमित सुमदल शोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी, सुखदां वरदां मातरं, वंदे मातरम.
Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect ending. Perfect ending. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I am unmuting everybody now. 2-minute chit chat with all of you, and then we will close this meeting.
Thank you, Raja.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Have a great
Mataram
time.
was wonderful.
Instrument was nice to join.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next level of data remotely or introducing AI, that is to predict machine failure.
Thank you, everyone.
Geeta ji, thank you. Jayashree ji, Saraf, thank you so much. You have a very nice voice. Vicky, we must again join next time with your
Thanks,
selection of
Rajat.
songs.
Thanks, Satan.
So much.
Ishita ji, nice to see you on this forum. Stay safe. Stay safe.
Thank you, Rajat.
Thank you so much. And
See you soon, Rajat.
sorry, हम लोग नहीं जुड़ पाए अच्छे से, but next time the connection is we definitely do so.
Definitely.
In exchange of real-time data in construction
Somebody is making us hear the news also, so thank you to that person.
So thank you, everyone. It was really nice.
Thank you. I'll be the last person out, and I'll be ending the meeting. So one by one, you can leave.
Use the data
Thank you so much.
to predict what might happen near term and in long term. So
lovely.
Thank you, Alka ji. Thank you, Sureka.
Construction industry here refers to.
I'll be the last one to leave. So
And thank you, Rajat.
Thank you, Rajat.
thanks a lot. Thanks to all.
Thank you, Rajat ji.
Bye.
With the different
Thank
weights on
you,
it,
Alka
whether
ji.
the bridge is
Thank you,
in
Suksham ji.
segment or not.
Bye.
The decision-making mechanism can be established using AI. If this answer is inadequate, Harish, probably we can catch up.
I love
Maybe
this person.
if I understand better, we'll be able to answer. Gautam, for your question on cotton spinning mill factory, hope I could make sense.
It's knowledge. Everything is knowledge. So take it that way.
Later, which is mechanizing, instrumentation, then failure prediction and process optimization. Then Gautam writes, can we catch up for small 2 minutes post your presentation?
Namaskar.
Sure, either Pradeep or Teja is also helping us. He can bring the connection.
Anupama ji, thank you so much. I will be the last one out.
By Uber, while it's real time.
अलका जी और रजत जी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि ऐसा सेशन थोड़ा फ्रिक्वेंटली कराया जाए.
So this is for Surekha ji to listen. Surekha ji, I'm sure will take heed to this.
Next time we should have a Asha Bhosle session.
Yeah, wonderful. Why not? Why not?
Because
उनका और ज़्यादा peppy numbers है.
Very peppy number, and people can really sing, laugh, dance with it.
Correct.
That will be much more great fun.
Absolutely. And very soon I'll be trying to rope in one of my musician friend who can give us some kind of a piano.
That's
us.
right.
It will be wonderful.
Some rhythm would be lovely. Right.
Let's
Thank
see.
you, Rajat.
It's the beginning. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Surekha ji, with your permission, can I leave so that you can then end the session? Yeah. Surekha ji, do I have your permission? You're still on mute. Let me unmute you. Surekha ji, can you unmute yourself if you can listen to me? Waiting for Surekha ji to unmute.
तेल चढ़ाओ पूरी के लिए.
अरे किसी क्या पूरी बन रहा है? That's good. Okay, I love this. Things which people don't want us to hear. जब सुनते हैं तो मजा आता है. I'm not able to unmute Surekha ji. Surekha ji, unmute करिए अपने आप को.
हाँ Rajat. Yeah.
Surekha ji, so we are just 4 now. Renuka ji is here. Jayashree ji is here. You and me. With your permission, can I leave the meeting?
Yes,
so that you can end the meeting?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Jayashree ji. Thank you, Renuka ji, and thank you, Surekha ji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Acha, I will have to end the meeting, Surekha ji. I have that option.
So please end it. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends. Thank you.